Imagine this. An animal remembers your face for years, and the next time it sees you, it attacks. This isn't a movie. Some animals can actually recognize humans, remember past experiences, and sometimes behave in ways that feel almost like revenge. Today, we're going to explore animals that may never forget you, and some of them are far more intelligent than people realize. If you enjoy mysterious and fascinating videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Bird crows. Crows may look like ordinary birds, but scientists discovered something disturbing about them. They can remember human faces. In one experiment, researchers captured several crows while wearing specific masks. Days passed, then weeks, even months later, those same crows still recognized the people who captured them. And when they saw them again, they began attacking. But the strangest part was this. Other crows also learned to recognize those faces, almost as if the birds were warning each other. That human is dangerous. Imagine a wild animal memorizing your face and sharing that information with others. This isn't just instinct anymore. It's almost a form of social memory. Elephants. But crows aren't the only animals that remember. Elephants may be even more frightening. You've probably heard the phrase, "An elephant never forgets." And strangely, it may be true. In some regions, elephants have returned aggressively to places where humans once harmed them, almost like they remembered the danger years later. Imagine an enormous animal carrying an old memory for years and returning to the exact same place. But elephants also remember kindness. Some elephants recognized humans who rescued them many years earlier. That means they may remember faces, voices, and emotional experiences, and that makes them far more complex than most people imagine. Almost like they carry emotional memories deep inside their minds. Gorilla chimpanzees. Now let's move to one of the most intelligent animals on Earth. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees share a huge amount of DNA with humans, and sometimes their behavior feels disturbingly human. They can recognize faces, remember relationships, and remember individuals who treated them badly. In some observations, chimpanzees later attacked other chimps that had previously harmed them, almost as if they were saying, "I remember what you did." And the frightening part is, they rarely act alone. Chimpanzees communicate with each other. They call others for support. Then the group becomes aggressive together. This feels far more complicated than simple animal instinct, because now you have memory, emotion, and strategy working together. Imagine walking through a forest while something intelligent watches you and recognizes you. Geese. But some animals don't need to be large to be terrifying. Geese. Most people think geese are harmless or even funny, but they are extremely territorial. If a goose sees you as a threat, it may remember you for a very long time, and the next time it sees you, it may attack again. The strangest part? They show almost no fear. Sometimes they charge at creatures many times larger than themselves. Imagine being chased across an entire park by an angry bird that refuses to back down. Snakes. Most people think snakes are cold and emotionless creatures, but some experts believe certain snakes can remember dangerous experiences. For example, snakes that were previously threatened or handled aggressively have sometimes shown stronger defensive reactions later. Of course, snakes do not plan revenge like humans do, but their brains may still remember one important thing. This creature is dangerous, and the next encounter becomes far more aggressive. Imagine this, a snake hidden quietly in the darkness, completely still, watching, and somewhere inside its instincts, it remembers danger. One of the most frightening things about snakes is their patience. Some can remain motionless for incredibly long periods of time, blending perfectly into their surroundings. You don't see them, you don't hear them, and then everything changes in a single second. And maybe the most disturbing part of all is that animals may live not only through instinct, but also through memory. Crows remember faces. Elephants remember experiences. Chimpanzees remember relationships. Geese remember threats. And snakes may learn from dangerous encounters. Maybe this isn't revenge at all. Maybe it's simply survival shaped over millions of years. But one question still remains. If some animals can recognize us, remember us, and react to us years later, then perhaps animal intelligence is far more complex than we ever imagined. And maybe the line between humans and animals is not as large as we think. If you enjoyed this video and want more mysterious stories from nature, don't forget to subscribe.